Hi guys, Gabe the House Guy here with United Real Estate Pacific States, and today I'm in Chula Vista, California at the beautiful gated community of the Summit at Eastlake. If you're in the market for a new home, you owe it to yourself to get your family out here and check out this beautiful community and all the amenities that it has to offer. This is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 1,760 square foot single family detached residence with 2-car garage. It offers hardwood floors, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances. There's a spacious loft that can be converted into a 4th bedroom and a beautiful private courtyard for entertaining. If you're looking for a home to buy, you owe it to your family to come out and take a closer look at this home.
I'm Gabe the House Guy. If you know of anyone looking to buy or sell, please share my info. God bless you. Have a great day.